Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Lesson in less than 5 minutes. Today I am here with a new video. In this video we are going to finish up with the Russian alphabet. We will be learning how to write Russian letters with a pen or a pencil, and we will learn some new words also. Apart from this, we will see how to make sentence in Russian language. So I think we should start now. So let's start with the vowels. You can also practice writing with me, and do not forget to practice them a lot at home. A, ye, yo, e, o, u, I, e, u, ya. Once more. A, ye, yo, e, o, u, I, e, u, ya. Now we are going to proceed towards the consonants, which we have 21. Be, ve, ge, de, že, dze, i krátké, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, t, f, k, c, ch, sh, and the last one is sha. So let's do it once again. B, V, G, D, Ž, Z, I krátké, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, F, K, C, Č, Š, Ša. Here we are finished with the alphabet. Now, time to know some basic words and how to pronounce them. Let's start with some of the pronouns. Ya, that means I. Ty, that means you. You in singular form. On. On means he. Мы means we. We. We means you, but in plural form. Это means this. Тот means that. So these were some simple pronouns. Now some of the words for asking questions, like кто, that means who. Что, what. Где, once more, где. Где means where. Now let's try to make a sentence. Кто это? Кто это? Can you guess what is the meaning of this sentence? Let's see. Who is this? Friends, did you notice that something was missing in that sentence? If you have noticed, just write me in the comment box. You have time till the next video. And one more thing I want to say you that I have created a new Facebook page for your convenience, where you can get the additional study materials apart from these videos. So do not forget to like and follow to my new Facebook page. You can get the link in the description here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just subscribe it right now and share it.